Oh.
Hello YouTube family, welcome back to another Kalkstein Chiropractic YouTube video. Here, your local Baltimore chiropractor. I'm here with lovely Laura. We're going to do a little adjustment for her. She's been dealing with a little bit of disc irritation. It tends to switch from side to side. Lately it's been on the left side where we have a more free motion and less pain. So we'll just start by checking how she's moving. So I'll have you stand straight, knees locked. Still a little restricted to that right there, yeah. So I'll have you come up on here, face me. Third time's the charm. Did you, you're outside all weekend? Did you get to do any hiking or just chilling in the garden?
A ton of time in the backyard with the kid and the dog.
Love that.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm just gonna tuck your hips there. Perfect. Did you do an Easter egg hunt?
We did. Daughter was thrilled.
Do you guys hide chocolates or egg, like
My dad even just cried my back. That was awesome. Just like chocolates and stuff.
Okay.
And dyed some eggs and had fun color mixing and stuff with her.
Deep breath in. This up here. The dyeing egg thing. Growing up in South Africa, that wasn't a thing. So I came here and like people hard boiling eggs. I was like, oh, this is weird, man.
Yeah.
Well, we just hide like Lindt chocolates and
No eggs
stuff around
involved.
the garden. No. I mean, there's like egg-shaped chocolates,
but nothing.
But no. Yeah, we let the chickens be on Easter. Tight there.
Oh, so good.
Alright, lift you up here, Laura. Oh, and three.
Bam.
There it is. Alright, let's have you go face down. Face down here. I'm gonna lower this a tad here. And then mostly we just adjust Laura's low back, but she's been feeling a little stiff lately, so we'll just give it a little tune up in the neck and the back here. Deep breath in. All the way out. Drop your arms to the floor. And have you take a deep breath in, lift your head up, and out. This one, alright. Okay. And three.
Consistency.
Alright. Thank you so much for tuning in for another Kalkstein Chiropractic YouTube video. You got any shout outs you want to make?
No, but thank you.
Alright. See you.